The female is brighter. A black redstart is a very mobile bird. When it sits down somewhere for a short moment, it often shakes his tail. It prefers to build its nest in accumulated stones, in rural attics or in the ruins of buildings. Access to open spaces is extremely important to a black redstart, where it searches for food by running and jumping. It eats mainly insects and their larvae, collecting them from tree trunks, branches and leaves just above the ground. It can also hunt with agility in flight. In the course of the year, it can have